What's up, guys? Day 2 of doing body work on the Integra. And the first episode, we did a lot. We tore down the car. We actually marked all the spots that needed body work. And we noticed on the trunk as well that there's basically a giant dent that elevates on the trunk. So we're gonna need to fix that. Body work is a hard thing to do, and it is an art, 100%. If I were to do it, I'd screw it up. 2, when I tried to find different spots that had dents in it, Dante found all of them. I found like 3, but it just shows what experience does. So let's get to it.
So we just grinded off all the paint where the dented areas are, as you can see. So now we're gonna put it back in DA mode, and we're gonna sand them smooth, to feather out the edges and everything. Everywhere you put Bondo, you have to make sure that you put it on the metal, bare metal. Don't put it over paint. It causes Bondo to crack and everything over the years, which, you know, we don't want.
Which happened on our hood.
Yeah, exactly. Pretty decent ding right here, and then we got a pretty decent dent right here. These other ones are not really bad, so we're not going to pull those with the stud welder. So what we're going to do is we're going to weld a stud to here, put our puller on there, and pull these out.
Dante, what does a stud welder do?
You actually weld it to the car like that.
And pretty sparks come out. Yeah. And then you dink.
Then you pull on it with this.
That attaches to this, right?
Yep.
And then you literally go boonk.
Exactly. So we find the lowest spot of the ding, like so. Right there. And then this one.
Give a tiny little spark. Oh! It looked right.
Alright.
I flinched on the other one like a baby.
Kind of take the ends out on it first. And then we go for the center. This is what I like to call go for the kill.
Yeah, you can physically see it come out.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Feel around it. Which it feels good, both of them. Now we just take them off.
You're not getting any ladies with these glasses anytime soon. All right. Well, I'm glad our paint job's done. This is just what I wanted. So now is the time for Bondo, which is the biggest enemy of body work or your best friend. Because if you do it wrong, it's a pain in the butt to get it off. But if you do it right, it just saves your car's look. So it's all about who you bring it to. I've noticed a lot of people, they either call it Bondo or they call it body filler to avoid the name Bondo.
Yeah, because Bondo sounds cheesy and cheap, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of people in the industry actually call it body filler. And, you know, depending on where you are, they'll call it different things as well.
Soda and pop?
Exactly.
Comment down below if you call it soda or pop. Can we get 5,000 likes on this video? Well,
Where are we going, David?
we going to Paint Town.
The roof, the paint on the roof was sunburned and peeling and everything. So what we did was we dry sanded it with 320, and then we wet sanded it smooth. We feathered it out with 320, and then we wet sanded it with 500. So pretty much prepped and ready. We're gonna go back over the whole. We're gonna go back over when we went through the whole car with 1200. So essentially, we're gonna go up the whole car after all the body work is done. with 1200, which is going to let the paint lay slick and smooth, less wet city for orange peel. We're just going to swipe the whole panel so that way we don't have to worry about lumpiness with our Bondo stops and the metal stops. So basically we're going to apply a light skim coat to it, because the dents right here wasn't that bad.
So essentially what you're doing is just evening everything out.
Yes, sir. Makes it easier to block it out and sand it without the hassle of, oh man, lumpy here, smooth here, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so we're going to block that load out with 320 sandpaper and firm, soft, a firm block. As you can see, I just blocked this area and we already found a dig in there. So this basically is going to block, we're going to block the whole thing, and then we're going to highlight all the high and low spots in it. And essentially it'll be pretty smooth and sealed in paint.
So when you first use body filler and or Bondo, this is how it looks like. Or this is how it looks, excuse me. But then after you sand it down, like Mr. Dante has been killing it, it essentially blends into the body and fixes your dent or whatever you were doing. So Dante took a break to show me something. And what did you want to show me?
Okay, so a body shop painted this bumper, and they had a stripe, you know, see these stripes right here? So they were gonna go get the car wrapped, and they took the stripe off, and the paint came off with the stripe. So you see, this is the raw plastic, and here goes the paint with the stripe once was. That's it. So, if I take some air to it, will it come off? It's possible. We'll start here.
No way, dude. Oh my god. You can't really tell on camera. Oh my god. Are you kidding me?
So, the reason this happened is because they did not use a adhesion promoter, and as you can see, they did not seal it. This is just straight paint. They just painted it. No adhesion promoter, no sealer. They did look like they did sand it. You can see sand scratches on it, but they didn't put adhesion promoter and sealer. That's very, very important with urethane plastic.
Yeah, but compressed air shouldn't take that off that easily. No way.
If you don't lie the foundation right, it's not going to stay.
Before, after. had a late night last night, basically prepping the car. Now the car is almost ready for primer, and we're gonna make sure to get that perfectly ready so we don't screw anything up. But Dante and the guys here at Street Approved Customs have done an amazing job. And in the next episode, we're gonna go pick a paint color, check it out on probably some of the bumpers, and also prime the rest of the car before the whole car is done. Not in that order, but you know what I mean. So I'll see you guys next time. Make sure to subscribe and the bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Take it easy. Goodbye. Hey, you, want clean wheels? Hey, use this. Spray on. Let sit for 45 seconds and turn purple. Spray again with water. Clean wheels. Make sure to check out www.pattersoncarcare.com. Made by car dudes for car dudes.